Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday. It is gorgeous outside. It's an absolutely gorgeous Saturday morning. I want you guys to get outside today and enjoy this beautiful day. Maybe spend some time outside with your family. Maybe plant some flowers for your mom because Mother's Day is coming up. Some way to enjoy this gorgeous day if you are into the outdoors. I know yesterday the pollen count was pretty high. My son's allergies were really acting up. Hopefully today's a little bit better. Wanted to bring you guys day two. The new day two of our egg osmosis lab. And here's the data so far. You know, we started out, I did 250 milliliters of vinegar. While the lab called for 200, I noticed that at 200, my egg was still sitting on the bottom of the beaker and not fully covered. So we put it in at 250. We started out with an egg that was white. Relatively hard, you know, the feeling of an egg. The egg shell was kind of chalky, and it had a mass of 63.1 grams compared to the control, which was 62.5 grams. We did have to replace that egg as I cracked it on accident. And so we redid the day one, and I did find an egg that had the exact same mass, so we started at 63.1. When I brought the egg inside this morning from the garage, I noticed there were bubbles / maybe foam in the vinegar and on the egg, and you'll be able to see that when you see the picture that goes along with this video. There's a picture of the graduated cylinder, and you can see that foaminess on the top of the graduated cylinder when I was measuring the leftover vinegar. The egg itself is, when I rinsed the shell off, the shell rinsed off really easily today. I was able to rub the shell completely off, and the egg is now soft, almost kind of feels like a water balloon. And I would say we would call this translucent. Can't completely see through it, so it's not transparent. Maybe opaque might be a better terminology. But you can definitely see through it a little bit, see light through it, and you can see that yellow, yolk, on the inside. The mass did increase to 74.8 grams, and there's only 222 milliliters of vinegar left that was able to be measured in the graduated cylinder. So that might give you guys some insight as to what's going on with that membrane of our egg. Another thing that's kind of cool, when I took a picture, you could see this, and I'll show you guys here in the lab. And this is in the beaker. You can see the egg is in the corn syrup now. And if we remember back to when we learned about waves and we learned about light and sound and how light is refracted when it hits a different medium. And look at that. I mean, the egg on top looks like a normal egg, and the egg underneath that's down in the corn syrup sure does look like it is, gosh, 3 times the size. Reality is it's not. It's the same size inside the corn syrup and outside, but we know that light is being refracted. There is our egg. Another thing we might notice is that it is truly floating. Okay, so its density is less than the density of that corn syrup. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit overnight, and then tomorrow I will get it out and I will make measurements and record the data for you again. If you're participating at home, you are already on to day 3. So it's up to you how you're doing it and what data you want to use, whether it's mine or if you're participating at home. If it's the data you have at home, that is fine as well. Once again, guys, I want you guys to get outside, look at this absolutely gorgeous day. The sun is shining. There's barely a breeze. Oh, there's a beautiful cardinal bird just flew into the neighbor's tree. I don't know if I can see that or not in the video. I don't think you can, but a cardinal bird just flew into the neighbor's tree. I love cardinal birds. They're probably my favorite bird. So again, gorgeous day outside. Get outside and enjoy it. And we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'll give you guys some more information on this amazing lab. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.